Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to gradually transition between colors using the Lerp function. So in my scene you can see that I have a cube and I have a change color script attached to it. You can see the two color fields that we will use to transition and alternate between. So let's open our script. At the top are the two public color variables named red color and blue color, as we saw in the inspector window. After that, we have private color variable named current color, in which we will store the current color value of our material. In the start function, we assign the mesh renderer component of the game object to myRenderer. Then we set the initial color to be red color. We will also set the current color to be red color. In the update function, we check if the user has pressed the space key. If it's true, then we check if the current color is equal to red color. And if true, then we set the current color to blue color. Else, we set the current color to red color. Then outside the if statement, we use Color.Lerp function to gradually transition from the color of the game object to current color with an interpolating factor of 0.1. Save the script, return to Unity, hit play. Now when you press space, you will notice that the colors change slowly and smoothly, and you can see different variation of colors in between. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.